Good morning. Makeup Mandy here. And we're getting ready for the day. First thing you need to do is wash all the boogies out of your eyes, all the boogies out of your nose, and start with a nice clear palette. Ooh. I had some real boogies in my nose, like we had to... At least we're clean now. Everything's fine. I'm a real person with real things. First, let's tweeze off some of these little stragglers. I like to hop these bad boys on too, so you can multitask. I'm using a toner just to kind of, it says help stressed, irritated skin, and I look kind of dry and icky. So I'm just doing this like real quick. Every day, no matter your skin tone or anything, you should be putting on sunscreen. That one's actually a body sunscreen from Rodan and Fields, but that's such a good brand. I feel like it could go on my face and not cause any problems. I'm gonna put on some eye cream too. While the sunscreen is soaking in and the teeth whiteners are working, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair with this tiny arse curling iron, and it's gonna take me forever. And you know, I know you guys don't really want to like watch probably this whole thing, so I'll just speed it up for you. I'm only halfway done. Boil. It's a cat. Just love it when it's so big. Love big, messy hair. So gonna prep the skin some more. This is an Ophir, oh gosh, prep. Putting on tape to help create that eyeliner effect. And I'm using this Ophir Quadratic High Desert palette. And I always like to kind of go from like lights to dark. So just start with the light one and just kind of flap it on there. That tape's making it so like any mistakes you're gonna make will kind of look like it was supposed to be like that. And I am just bringing it all the way up to my eyebrow. Like, I just don't even care. Like, I'm just kind of flopping it on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and touch this little golden color, which is called Dusty Pink. Just kidding. Burnt Copper. Dusty Pink. I'm like, what? And I'm kind of staying, like, on my lid just a little bit higher since I have a hood. I'm just kind of gonna keep going until the color feels right. And then I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and this brown, which is Deep Wood from Ophir, and kind of just create a little eyeliner effect. Kind of just add some smokiness to the eye. And I'm going up just a little bit on the tape because, again, I want it to create that eyeliner for me. I'll go ahead and take it off, and you see it kind of creates just that sharp edge for you. And you can put eyeliner over it, or you don't have to. And I think I'm also going to cut the crease today using good old Tarte. I just do 2 little dots. Look up and kind of draw a little rainbow shape right there. I'll show you. And just try to make it as even as you can. And I'm going to add this Mystic Topaz from Ophir. And I'm just going to put it right in like the middle. I think I just want like a transitional color, but I don't think I really want to mess with the light I just did. Like, I don't know. We'll see. Just play with it, right? So it kind of has like a light sparkle darker. You see what I was kind of going for? This is Mary Kay Crystalline. And I'm just using it as like a highlighter right here. Putting on some mascara. I like to do my eyes all the way before I do my face because I usually get mascara down here. Take it on, so I usually have to brush some clumps out. While my mascara is drying, I'm going to use Sivia Bestie Concealer and Sivia Bestie Foundation. Now I'm going to contour with this Too Faced chocolate bronzer stick. And for the chin, you blend down. For your cheeks, you blend up. And for your forehead, you blend up and out. And then if you see a couple of splotchy spots, which you probably will, you can add powder to kind of blend it all in. I'll use the Too Faced Born This Way, and this one is vanilla. Just blend, 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 kind of buff it all out. Now I'll add this Ophir Apricot Blush. Younger generation's putting it on their nose a little, so I'm just a little. And then I'll use this Becca Moonstone powder to highlight my nose, cheeks, chin, and just a tiny bit right here. I literally like dip my nose in there. I don't care what anybody says, I love it. Can't tell me otherwise. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this Luxa Pro. I got it off TikTok Shop. I'll have it listed. Just a, maybe more than that. Bushy natural brows are in. And then I'll use this spoolie side, which kind of helps give it like that thickness, and it actually gels your brow hairs up a little. Because remember, bushy is in. And I've been using these self-adhesive lashes, and they're just so easy. I kind of don't want to use anything else. See, look, no glue, no nothing. You just go in, place, wiggle, wiggle, squeeze them to your lashes. And they're on. Okay, only thing I need to do is the lipstick. Right, I forgot, I was changing clothes. This is Tarte Low Key. This is lip paint. Alrighty. And that took me a total of 2 hours. 1 hour for the hair, 1 hour for the face. Beauty takes time. I'll have everything listed below with most links. And then thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love every single one of you guys. And see you next time.